going out to try and film some stuff, get some pictures for the week. I'm gonna try and post some every day on Instagram. At least Monday to Friday. Been doing that for a while, but I'm trying to stay consistent with it. See if we can go film some stuff too, maybe play with the drone a little bit. It's supposed to rain though around 12 or 1, so we got a couple hours. Hopefully it doesn't start pouring down on us. Can't remember what I was talking about before the camera died, but I think I was talking about the weather. No, it's been pretty nice here the last couple days. About 10 degrees or more yesterday. Could have almost felt like you could have been in shorts. But yeah, it's almost time to get the old bike out, get that thing ready, put it on the road. Can't wait. It's gonna be awesome. Go flying through that tunnel. Thing is, train coming, I'm flying through it. Bang. One more drone. But sometimes that's part of the game, I guess. I'm gonna do over there, having a hard time, tell you what. See if I can be a ninja and jump up here. I'm gonna set you guys down. This might be entertaining. Never know what you can catch on camera. If there's a video of me falling down this wall, this will be it. It'll be good for the video. Anybody trying to quit smoking? You need something else to do. Spits. About 20 times cheaper, about 20 times not as gross, and don't smell like shit. It's kind of nice. Anyways, enough of me talking. This was bound to happen one day. Drone down. Man, that's not cool. I was swearing for a little bit and then I grabbed the camera, and once I was done swearing, I was trying to fly under this bridge. And then, I don't know. Sometimes a drone doesn't like concrete or metal. It gets all like flustered by it, but went to fly underneath, it got all confused. Flew into these freaking branches there, and then I think it broke a prop. And then it went a full 180, like full blast, and then bang, right into this concrete wall. Oh well. Maybe it's a sign for me it's time to finally buy the drone that I actually want. I've only been thinking about it for years. We'll see. Anyways, it is what it is. How's it going, everybody? It's the next day. Whew, some good fucking coffee, tell you what. Smart ass coffee. Do anything to help me out. Well, the real reason I grabbed the camera because I wanted to talk about one of my buddies. And then he said he's finally going to school to do what he really wants to do for work, and I thought that was pretty inspiring. It's been, we have talked about it in the past quite a bit, and then we're both in the same situation. Didn't work together, but we were both in the same situation where we weren't exactly fulfilled with what we did for work. And I sat around myself too for years. You know, I wanted to make moves, I wanted to do this and that and all that, but I was never I would always play it, you know, safe, and I didn't want to risk anything because I had a house and this and that. But and then finally decided 6 months ago to sell all my shit and move to BC, and found someone to rent my house, and I came down here and everything's been working out great. Just thinking, you know, all these years I was like scared to make a move. Not scared, but like I didn't want to step out of my comfort zone. Now thinking about it is unreal, because I came down here and everything worked out. There was like zero worries, and the house can always get rented. Just goes to show that if you really want to do something, then you can. And the same with my friend. I really think it's awesome that he's putting the time and effort to really pursue his dreams, and eventually probably be his own boss too, you know, if he does it right. I think it's pretty sick. Yeah, if I can do it and he can do it, anybody can, right? You just have to really want it hard enough, and then just use some of your spare time to work towards that. I know everybody's got kids. A lot of people have kids, a lot of people have families, you know, responsibilities, and sometimes those get in the way, and I get it. Like I have responsibilities too. But there's always time in the day to focus on things that you really want to do. And yeah, I just thought I'd really want to talk about that, because it inspired me to give her shit a little bit more. You know, thought it was pretty sick. Anyways, enough with the motivation speeches. I'm gonna try and be more consistent with what I do. I'm gonna post once a week minimum. It's not gonna be travel videos all the time, but I'm gonna try as hard as I can to make them travel videos. And if not, well, it's gonna be little videos like this here and there for like fillers. I'm ordering a new computer and then a new microphone, so I might make a video about that as well, just to show you guys and stuff. Anyways, hope you guys have a good week. We'll see you later.